Hey everybody, welcome and thanks for joining the new GuruFocus platform overview. I'm just going to be quickly taking you guys through some of the platform's key features. So if you have questions, throw them in the chat and I'll do my best to answer them as we go along. As first here, I've just got us up on the homepage dashboard, and this is going to be kind of your go-to landing page. This is where you can kind of centralize all the key information that's most interesting to you because it's completely customizable. Each of these boxes here is a different widget. Each widget is going to be pulling information from all across the site, and you can set that up to reflect whatever information is most important to you. To do that, you just come over here and click New Dashboard to build out a customized one. You can either start from scratch here or start with one of our templates that focuses on some specific theme. And that's going to give you all these different widget options to add, remove, and move around wherever you'd like. But as far as the tools on the platform, great place to start is with the stock screeners. The screeners are going to let you find stocks based on criteria you're interested in. So you can either click on the all-in-one screener and start from scratch, or you can start with one of the many pre-made GuruFocus screeners. These are going to focus on different investing principles like dividends, fast growth, or high quality. And clicking on one of these, it's going to automatically preload that screener with all of the filters associated with it. You can click here and get a quick overview and description of some of these GuruFocus screens. You can see we've got all of the filters separated into these different tabs, but if you want a quick look at everything active in a given screener, you can just quickly click on the Active Filters tab for an overview. But now that we've got this screener pulled up, these filters are able to be completely customized, so you can adjust existing filters or you can add in entirely new ones. As you do that, your results down here below are going to update automatically. So each of these results down here is a stock that meets all of the qualifications of your particular screener. But if you wanted to test the strategy behind this screener and further, tweak some of these filters, come over here and click the back testing button. That would let you run historical data through this screener and kind of test the selection strategy behind it. So you'd pick the number of stocks you wanted to select out of the screener results, how you would like to rank them, the time period and rebalance period. And once you click go, that's going to build you a hypothetical portfolio using these screener criteria here. And once it runs all that historical data, it's going to give you some back-tested benchmarked results. So we can see here it's selecting stocks for each of those periods. Then we're going to get an overview of the performance at the end, annualized details, benchmarks, etc. Going back to our active results here, if we'd tweaked the screener, are happy with the results and wanted to start creating a portfolio out of these results, just come over here and click the plus button. You can either add these stocks to an existing portfolio or create a new one. But then that's going to let you have access to lots of great tools. Once you start building out a portfolio, it's going to give you this fully customizable table view. You just come over here and click edit if you wanted to adjust it. Any number of metrics that you wanted to compare or monitor, you could just search to find those. And once you add them, just drag and drop to change the order of the table. And then if you set one up that you like, you can come in and save it. And you can set up multiple customized table views that you can quickly come back to or set as a default. But you also have lots of other tools like the charting tool that would let you quickly side by side any number of charts you're interested in. We've also got the performance tab which is going to give you an overview of all of your major risk and return information, as well as some annualized details. Also got the alerts feature, which this will let you set up fully customizable alerts to monitor your portfolio, whether that be price changes or trade volume or earnings releases or any number of things. You can set these up here to monitor the activity of your portfolio. And we've also got the news section where you can quickly filter through the news based on the stocks in your portfolio. So these are tools that you have available in both your GuruFocus hypothetical watch lists, as well as the your actual brokerage account portfolios that you can link with GuruFocus as well. But for specific stock-related research and data, if we were to click on any of these tickers, it would jump us to the stock summary page. We can also search anything you have in mind up here in the search bar. That's going to take us to the stock summary page, which will give you a super quick overview of all of a stock's key fundamentals. So up here at the top, we have some key statistics. In the middle here, we have the GF score, which is our snapshot of a company's outperformance potential. And so that's going to be based on these 5 subcategories here: profitability, growth, financial strength, momentum, and value. So if you scroll down a little bit, you can see that each of these subcategories has their own individual ranking, and you can find all of the metrics that go into that ranking here. So you can get a great breakdown of the GF score on the stock summary page. But if there are any of these metrics that you're not familiar with or want some more details on, you could just click on the term, and it'll take you to a terms page. It'll give you an idea of what a good and bad version of that metric is, how it's calculated, a competitive comparison. So tons of great data here as well. But if you wanted to dig deeper into the financials yourself, click the 30-year financials tab here. That's going to let you drill down into decades worth of income statements, balance sheets, cash flow statements. You can quickly click to visualize any of these line items, quarterly or annual data, and all these tables are also completely customizable. So if you come up here, you can click Add View. Then if you click Section Order, you can add or remove the sections that you're interested in, drag and drop to change the order. Same thing with the line items. Click to move or remove. And then once you give it a name and click Save, that would create this customized table. And you can either click 30-year financial download to bulk download all of this financial data, or you can export just these customized views that you've set up in the web viewer. But if there's a metric here, for example, like a valuation ratio you use that you can't find for some reason, you could scroll down here to the Customize Fields section, and you can even add your own custom fields to the financials as well. If you want to dive a little deeper into some of the valuation analysis, you can click on the Valuation tab for some price correlation analysis. The Forecast tab is where you'd find all your analyst forecast data. So we've got some price targets, analyst ratings, revenue, earnings forecasts, etc. Each stock also has a built-in DCF calculator, so you can customize all the assumptions here, test the DCF models. You can find all of the dividend information under the Dividend tab here. The interactive chart is going to let you visualize any of these metrics you're interested in. It's fully customizable: time period, line series. You can even You can compare multiple types of data. So you can chart fundamental data, you can chart technical data or technical indicators. And you can even compare multiple stocks as well. You can just come up here to this compared box and type in the ticker you're interested in. And then once you get these charts set up, if they're something you're interested in monitoring or coming back to often, come over here and click Save as a Template. So then you can quickly come back to it. You can also pin these templates to your customizable dashboards as well. If you're looking for some more qualitative information, you've got the Transcripts tab here. That's where you can find all of the latest earnings call transcripts. So each of those is going to come with a positive and negative key points summary at the top. It's going to give you an idea of management's perspective. Got the news tab here. That's going to quickly filter the headlines based on whatever particular stock page you're on, similar to the portfolio news tab. And then we've got the Guru and Insider Trades tabs here for monitoring all of the latest Guru and Insider trading activity and ownership as well. Similar thing for insiders here. So that's going to give you a great idea really quickly of all the latest buying and selling activity around that particular stock. But if you're interested in Guru and Insider trades on a more big picture level, you'd come up here to the Guru and Insider tabs. So this latest Guru Picks page is going to very quickly give you a broad overview of all of the latest quarterly trades and activity from all the major institutional investors and gurus here. Also got lots of cool tools like this aggregated portfolios tool here. So if you have a list of gurus that you're interested in following, you can build out that list here, and then it will quickly put you together a portfolio based on the most broadly held stocks between those gurus. We've got the scoreboard of gurus, let you quickly sort through who some of the top performing gurus are based on different time periods. Got some great kind of broad trend based information. So if you want to see what gurus have been doing on an industry or geography level, got all that data here. Got some similar tools for the insiders as well. So we've got lots of big picture insider tools set up. We've got all these screeners set up to screen for insider buying activity. So you can quickly filter for stocks that have been purchased lately by their CEOs, CFOs, clusters of insiders. We've got the double buys screener here. So that's going to let you screen for stocks that have been recently purchased by insiders and gurus both. And then similarly, the triple buys screener, which is going to let you screen for stocks that have been purchased by gurus, insiders, and have had share buybacks recently as well. And then also some good big picture overview trend information. Similarly, tons of great market data. So this major stock market indices page is going to let you get an overview of the market as well as drill down into the components of all these indices, S&P, Dow, NASDAQ, as well as lots of international market data as well. And then we've got great sector and industry level data as well. in this far right column of the Market Data tab. That's going to let you get an overview of the entire sector or drill down into specific industries as well. Some of our other key tools include the Excel add-in. So that's a tool that you can download into Excel and sign into your GuruFocus account and then extract GuruFocus data into Excel without having to leave the application. So this function references sheet is where you'd find all of that syntax, but just to give you an overview of the scope of some of the data you can pull, basically anything you want. You can also start with some of these great templates that we have put together. Makes it super easy to get started. And that kind of covers some of the more key tools on the platform. Let's see if we have any questions in the chat. Not yet. Alrighty, guys. Well, thanks for joining the GuruFocus platform overview. Hope you guys got a better idea of some of the key functions of the platform and better look at how to use some of the tools. If you want an even deeper dive into the tools themselves and how to use some of the more advanced features, if you hover over the support icon here, hover over the tutorials icon here and go down to the demo center. It's going to give you an overview of all of the key tools like portfolios and the screener. We've got these great guided walkthroughs set up for step-by-step how to actually use the tools. This right column here is where you can find some of the more advanced features, so like the back testing stuff that we touched on as far as testing the screener strategies. Alrighty, thank you guys for joining.